host for next 10 minutes. Today is about Indonesian food. Indonesia has many variety of cultures and it's make Indonesia has many kind of food. Like Banjari food, Japanese food, and Bugis food or others. On this occasion, we will talk about this topic with an interviewee from Asia Pacific University in Malaysia. Nanda Eka Lana Studio. Okay, Nanda, the floor is yours. Okay, thank you for the time. Okay, Denny, I will ask you some questions about Indonesian food. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. My first question is, as long as you are in Malaysia, how often you eat Indonesian food?
So far, I have Indonesian food around 1 to 10 week, I think.
Okay. So, is it easy to find Indonesian food in your place?
Yes, here I can find the Indonesian food.
Okay. What the easiest, what the easier Indonesian food you could find in there, in your place?
Occasionally, protein nasi goreng.
Okay. Next questions. What do you think about Indonesian food in your place? Is it different taste or not with Indonesian food that made in Indonesia?
I think food that was made in Indonesia is much better than food made in Malaysia.
Okay.
The ingredient.
Oh. Okay. We just continue to the next question. Is how about the price? Which one is cheaper between you buy it in Indonesia or in Malaysia?
Of course, I can get a cheaper price in Indonesia.
Because of the course maybe. Okay.
Yeah,
Last questions. From 1 to 10, how much you rate between Indonesian food and Malaysia food?
for Malaysian food, I get 8. And for Indonesian food, I guess 9 lah.
Okay, Danny. Thanks for your time. Sorry to bother you.
Okay.
See you next.
Okay.
Thanks for the interview. It's not hard to find Indonesian food in Malaysia. We can find nasi goreng with easy in there. But the taste is not good as Indonesia, and the most important is the price. It's cheaper when we buy it in Indonesia. For our topic today, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and please write your comment below what I need to improve for next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.